I'm starting today's video off a little late in the day. I'm at the Hunt&Co office. We're trying to get orders out and get everything packed up to deliver a lot of the skateboards that you guys ordered, the t-shirts, the sweatshirts, lanyards, and we just got our delivery of a little mini drop that we're doing that I'm super hyped about, that if you're a fan of things on two wheels, you're gonna be particularly excited about. With the new addition to the Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114, I thought we have to do a Hunt&Co Harley-Davidson inspired t-shirt, so here we go. June 27th at thehuntandcompany.com. Ooh, I hate to do this to you guys, but something came up. This is me from the future filming this to give you guys a little heads up. We are actually going to be postponing the drop coming up this Monday. Unfortunately, we ran into a slight problem with Harley-Davidson because they reached out and said that they think that logo resembles their thing a little too much, which was the point. It was a risk we took, so unfortunately, we're gonna postpone this, but a pretty cool opportunity arose out of the situation, which I wanna keep you guys up to date on. We were informed that Harley-Davidson was aware of our purchase and has been watching our videos since we got the Street Pub, and they reached out and asked if we were curious in potentially working together on something super special. I can't promise it will ever happen, and I can't promise what will happen with this little inspired collection we made, but I have hopes that we can find a solution, and even better yet, something really cool might come out of this collaboration that we're maybe gonna start talking about. So sorry for the inconvenience. I'll keep you posted on what ends up happening with the future of this little collection and possible opportunity. Let's get back to the video. And because I'm here, I always like to do this. I picked out a jet tag that has not released yet. It's a really cool violet color. I'm pretty hyped on it. I went ahead and signed a handful of them, and I picked out an R8 skate deck and also signed it. So all orders placed right now on the website. I'm gonna be throwing one of these items in every order until we run out. So if you wanna snag one of these things for free, head to the website, pick anything up, and you have a chance to win that or one of these. If you haven't been on the website lately, let me show you a few things that are my favorite that are worth checking out. I know we're getting into the summertime, but these jogger pants, I wear them in almost every single vlog. All the pants I'm always wearing are actually Hunt&Co pants. We have them in a variety of sizes. They're cuffed at the ankles, and the waistband has an adjustable drawstring. These are fire, definitely check them out. And we are now in summer, and we have restocked our shorts. So if you want a pair of shorts, the ones I'm wearing right now, these are also on the site. When we were at Grid Life, we brought a lot of hats for sale, but the one that sold out the most was actually this hat right here. I haven't worn this hat too much in videos, but in person, the color is fire. It's an underrated cap, so this definitely deserves the product highlight of today's video. All these are available right now, linked below. So for those who didn't see the video, about 3 weeks ago, almost 4 weeks ago now, Sabrina's C8 got rear-ended. It had pretty minimal damage. It wasn't like it was a bad car accident, but you can check some of that footage out right now. Sabrina just got rear-ended in the Corvette.
So sick.
It's okay. Well, at least he's coming behind you here. It got beat up.
But it actually took the hit, you know? It didn't like completely, right, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I just noticed. There's a big chunk out of this bottom fin too. So we dropped the car off at SOS, and as you guys know, her car used to be wrapped. When we dropped the car off at SOS, Sabrina said that when she gets it back, she doesn't want it to look the same.
We're doing a little change up.
I don't know what she did to the car, but Oscar FaceTimed me yesterday and he was like, bro, this is fire. So we're gonna go pick up Sabrina's C8 today. It's been gone for far too long, and I feel like a lot of us have emotional connection to that car because that car looks sick.
Hey,
it looks so good.
Don't act like you like
all
the
those
car.
Street Hunter parts, baby.
Oh, okay, no, it's all because of the Tron, baby.
The Tron was the least desirable thing about that car. Let's be real. I know you guys hype her up. You guys hype her up. Like,
no, they don't lie to me, and they like it.
Hey.
I know you guys like the Tron, okay? And I'm changing the car because I kind of had this vision. I love the green. I love the Tron. The way Premium did it was just, so much chef's kiss. It's so good. But
I want to give a little shout out.
Hey,
Sorry, I'm stealing it from
okay, he's stealing the vlog from
Just
me.
for a second, shout out to California. Got that $6.89. Spent 25 gallons, spent $175. And that's not even a full tank. And that's the thing with this truck, is that's only like, it's probably a little over half. We're almost full, 3/4. A little more than 3/4. Anyways, we're heading to SOS.
I'll finish my talk with you guys then.
It can be tough to see the light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to high interest debt. And sometimes it can even be harder to ask for help, but that's why we have Upstart. Upstart powered personal loans can help pay down that high interest debt. This is done all online with very simple, easy to understand payment terms. Whether you have credit cards to pay off, or you're trying to consolidate some high interest debt, or even you have some personal things that you just want to end up buying, whether it's cars, maybe some off-road vehicles, or maybe you want to get yourself a nice hog. Upstart can help get you a one fixed monthly payment with clear payoff dates. Upstart knows that you're more than just a credit score, so rather than looking at your credit score alone, they consider other factors like your income, your employment, and other information provided in your loan application to find you a smarter rate for your loan. You can check your rate within minutes for loans between $1,000 and $50,000 without impacting your credit score. You can even receive your funds as fast as one business day after your loan has been accepted. Don't wait and check your rate today at upstart.com/TJ Hunt. That's upstart.com/TJ Hunt. Thank you so much to Upstart for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get back to it.
Do we see any C8s of any chance?
Don't look down there, Sabrina.
Oh, I don't see it anywhere.
All right, just pulled into SOS. I was really having my fingers crossed that they didn't have the car parked out somewhere where we would just walk and see it because I want it to be a surprise.
It's a surprise for both of us, even though I know what it's gonna look like. You know. Let's see.
Keep it moving.
It's actually not.
Not keep it moving, it says keep moving forward, baby.
Okay.
What do you think of that shirt?
I don't know, man. Harley might have to reach out to you.
We're gonna sell out of them before they can say anything to us. I'd give you one, but I don't think you're a hog rider. Hog riders only, dude.
Yeah, I understand.
Sorry.
I ride like mopeds.
Oh, sorry, those don't count.
No?
Sorry. Not
Dude,
okay.
I told Sabrina, and I think I told you too, like, please be careful.
Oh, don't do this to me on camera.
Like, realistically, bro, I probably lost like 4 friends on motorcycles.
Made to make a turn for the vlog here.
That matter is true. If you fall, it's a matter of when you fall.
Yes.
Saul!
To the
Saul
You
dropped
fell?
his bike
I
on
stopped
Palomar
riding.
Mountain.
I stopped riding. I used to ride with my friends. I lost one friend, an accident, and then a couple of Palomar friends that we rode there.
So we don't sell any so we don't sell any of these t-shirts now because you guys are talking about falling off a motorcycle?
no.
If I'm being fair, most of my friends that have passed away, RIP, were like pocket rock, like the freaking, they were like hot.
I'm just cruising. I'm a safe boy, but I appreciate your concern.
Yeah, man. We all love you, Cheech. You know, we can't have you.
Wow.
You know.
Look at that.
Thank you. I'm gonna make you a Street Hunter certified banner for SOS.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That's actually true though. They've installed more Street Hunter kits and parts than any other shop in the world. It's pretty cool. Anyways, enough of me and these amazing t-shirts that are gonna be for sale this Monday, June 24th. Time to pick up Sabrina's car.
Limited run. If you guys don't grab them now,
That is
gone forever.
That is true.
That is true.
It's a small batch.
I am a customer that wants to see my car fixed.
Same for Sabrina's car.
Let me give Sabrina the best customer service in the world.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Sir, I'm doing so
Oh,
good.
it's great to see you.
So nice to see
Well, your
you
vehicle,
again.
never
your
happens.
repairs are all done. It came out flawless, and I'm ready to show you the repairs.
That's what I'd like to see. Thank you
Excuse
very
me,
much.
sir.
That was the most bullshit I've ever seen in my life.
No, I'm gonna show you the first time how you treated me when I walked in.
How was it?
Hey, I'd like to get some work done on my car, please. Hola, pendejo. Sorry, man, we're booked till next month. Maybe try the shop down the street. I heard they work on pieces of shit. Oi, sorry, Poppy. I guess I'll take my business that way. Hey, Balio Pete, I'm just kidding, player. Come over here. We'll hook you up right now, baby. Okay. Thanks, man. I'm TJ. Anthony, you better edit that and make it
This is
spicy.
how it happened. Just comes in nonchalant. He's like,
He didn't even say.
sir, how can I help you? I was like, yeah, hello? How can I help you? Hold on. And then Mickey comes in for him. Hey, what's up, Oscar? This is my buddy. I don't know if you know him. It's kind of a big deal. You know my buddy TJ? And I was like, nah, I never heard of it.
I think his story is a little more accurate.
His story
But
is
enough
a little
about me. I'm not stealing the show. Today is about
I'm a customer.
Sabrina's car. You're a customer.
I'm a customer.
We're gonna finish paying this up, and then Oscar's gonna take Sabrina back and show her the new whip.
So I haven't seen it yet, but I know what it's gonna look like.
What
We're gonna let TJ see.
Anyways, what's up?
Damn, it's just like Santos Customs.
Damn! Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's like
looks way better.
Stormtrooper vibes.
It's way cooler than yours.
Dude.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. When his got home the other day, I was
Wow.
his might look better than mine.
Dude, the carbon on the white looks so good. Wow. Look at the back, Sabrina.
So like I'm not gonna lie, like Sabrina has a harder spec than you two.
Yeah.
No.
Dude, like not only does she have like a full catalog 300 car,
True.
but like she has the freaking carbon fiber roof.
I have the.
That just kills you. Like,
No
see,
way. Let me tell you something.
way.
And TJ C8 yesterday, and he goes, "Don't be jealous of my glass roof," and I'm like, "Don't try to hide
I
it."
have a see-through glass roof.
like carbon galore, right?
Carbon everywhere.
Red. Dude.
Oh my.
Her spec is fire. I will, but it's not better.
It ain't better than mine.
I don't know.
Wow.
And I'm just gonna say it right now, the wheels are better too. One thing, Sabrina, that I had to like.
Oh, okay.
for real.
The wheels were dirty.
Dude, her wheels, I didn't know they were bronze. Like, I really didn't know.
What color do you think they were?
I thought they were black.
Really?
I know. It's bad. It's
So
bad.
when we cleaned it, I threw like a ceramic coating on them.
Oh, hell yeah.
So that way, you know, the brake dust doesn't
Yeah,
kick
it
up on
doesn't
me.
sit as much.
Because I can't have you roll like that, you know? Like,
We added the skirts like literally right before she got rear-ended, and we never really got to see them. It's just cool. We're gonna go home. We're gonna put this next to our Corvette, or my Corvette, and we'll get to see them. Wow, dude, it is so cool.
one thing though, Keith, I gotta commend you and the whole 300 fam, like the parts, like everything is like for real. Everything is so tasteful. The hood, the lip, the deck lid spoiler, the extensions, like all that little stuff, like it just makes this car, like when it first came out, I was like, well, what can you really do to this car to make it like look good? Like, and all this looks good without taking away from the car. Like you really did it.
Thank you. I appreciate it. One thing that I've really grown to love is the side skirts on this car. I love the side skirt, the way like it just like bows out. You can't really see it in camera because all the colors kind of mesh together, but we're actually, speaking of this, we're gonna be dropping my wide body C8 off here, I think next week. We're gonna have SOS apply these side skirts to our wide body. There's gonna be some modification to the skirt to make it work, but nonetheless, I'm really excited to add those. So we will be back here very, very soon with mine. But yeah, Sabrina has every option from Straight Hunter on her car for a stock body. So you have the front lip, you have the hood, you have the side skirts, you have the extended boomerang here on the door sill. Normally it stops like right here. She has the extended boomerang. She has the carbon fiber duckbill, and then she also has the carbon fiber rear diffuser on the back of her car as well. I did a terrible job getting rollers on the way here. It was just me driving the truck, so it was hard to actually film and drive. But I want to give a little bit of a walk around of the car just so you guys can see it in its full body. You couldn't really see the wheels when it was inside that bay at SOS, and you can kind of just get a full glimpse of it. I absolutely love it. I think she has such a rad car, and I have an odd feeling that Sabrina isn't going to keep it like this. I was actually shocked that she took it off. I thought she was going to have this thing still wrapped in green and have the rear bumper green, but maybe switch up the Tron or something, but she shocked me.
I don't know if she shocked you guys. I didn't think she'd go back to white after really hyping it up that she wanted to keep it when we left it at SOS.
She said earlier to me, enjoy it while it's white. So I don't know what she has planned up her sleeve, but leave some comments down below. Leave your opinion. You guys have a really big influence on Sabrina. So if you guys like the white, let her know. If you think she should go something crazy and cover the white up again with the wrap, definitely tell her. We always like reading what you guys have to say. But I have to just give my opinion. I think this is perfect. I wouldn't change a thing. It is so cool. This is also super cool because this is the first time I've had my C8 and Sabrina's C8 together for the first time. When she bought this car was in Texas and it's not here anymore. And what's really cool is we're seeing double. So this is, for those who don't know, this is the Street Hunter wide body kit for the C8. This has fenders, rear fenders, the big wing that the stock body kit doesn't have. So the stock body kit has similar style front lip, but it doesn't have any over fenders or rear over fenders. But the duckbill could go on that car, obviously the side vents could go on the car, the diffuser and the hood. But it's like we're seeing double. That's so sick.
Double. See, double, except this one's way better than this one.
Kevin, what is your overall review of the white versus the green?
Look.
Oh, dude, I'm heavily biased on white. My last car was white. That car is white. White is just the move. They're actually bronze. They were never black.
Yeah, Oscar said the same thing.
That's what Oscar said.
He was like, I thought she had black wheels.
No, they're bronze.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna take a little break on this vlog and I will catch up with you guys later this evening. There's a little secret project I'm going to work on right now and I can't tell you what it is, but I'm working on something that we will probably be releasing maybe in a few weeks if everything goes according to plan, but I'm filming a new video series that is a completely different approach to doing a certain build than I've ever done before. I would say it's a challenging, artistic task that we want to shoot. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm buying a new car right now and I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited and I can't tell you anything else, but I will see you guys later tonight. I need to pause this vlog and I need to start filming the new video series. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. I just got back home. I'm really excited for you guys to see this series. Hopefully we can finish it soon. We're doing something different. I know I just talked about that in the last clip, but we're doing something different. So I guess that's really all I can say. But reminder, these shirts are gonna drop June 27th on Monday, 10 a.m. and all orders placed today. Well, the first like, I don't know, however many it was until we run out of things of jet tags and the skateboard. If you order something, I'm gonna throw that in your order for free. So try to be quick to ordering something because the sooner you order, the higher chances you have of getting something before I run out of jet tags. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.